Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about a new update that has been there for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra regarding the OneUi 8. So as we know that the OneUi 8 beta version is now rolling out on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but the good news is that the OneUi 8 beta version will be now available for the Samsung Galaxy S24 series as well. In this month of August, you will get to see this OneUi 8 beta version, but it is limited to some countries. And that's the sad part about this beta version, as this will be limited only to some countries while the other countries will have to wait for the official stable update. And if your country is eligible, so you can enroll for the beta update by simply going into the Samsung Members app. You will get to see a banner right over here of the OneUi 8 beta version. You can enroll for it from here, then you will get to see the OneUi 8 beta version in your update section. But if your country is not eligible, you will have to wait for the stable release. If you talk about the new changes, so you will get to see a new UI change in the weather app of your OneUi 8, and also you will get to see some Gemini integration in the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3. On their website, they also mentioned that you will get to see some Gemini integration on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 or Buds 3 Pro. If you talk about the official rollout, so the official rollout is expected in the month of September, but for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. After the release on the S25 series, you can expect the official release on the S24 series as well. In short, the OneUi 8 update will be the enhanced version of the OneUi 7 update. Hopefully, they will also fix this lock screen delay with the OneUi 7 that has been there on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, as you guys can see. Also, if you want that glass effect of the iOS 26 on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, so there's a new update available for the theme park that you guys might be missing out. So you can check for the theme park update. Now you can get a new effect of glass icons. I have already made a detailed video on that, so you can check that out from the link in the description. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the latest news regarding the OneUi 8 update for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you guys are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.